Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix PS5 can't find the game or app. So, when you see this message, it means your external drive is having problems. What we can do now is unplug the external drive from the PS5, then try reattaching it to another port. Try relaunching the game and see if the problem still appears. If the problem still appears, then we will only have two choices. The first option is to try replacing the connection cable you are using with another cable. After that, if the problem still appears, then try use a computer to check the external drive health. If you don't know how to do this, please refer to the video linked in the description. Now, in case your external drive is damaged beyond repair but you still want to continue playing those games or reload them on a new external drive. Well, here's how you can do it. First, go to Game Library. Navigate to your collection. Go to the game that lists as Connect USB drive, then press Options button on controller. Select Remove from Home. It should then allow you to re-download it. In case your external drive has no problem, then try restoring the licenses. Going to the Settings menu of your console, go to Users and Accounts and select it. Select Other. Select Restore Licenses. Once done, try check if the problem is gone. The next method we can try is power cycle the PS5. Just turn off the PS5, then unplug the power cable and external drive. Wait at least 3 minutes. After that, plug the PS5 back into the power outlet and reattaching the external drive, then it's time to power on the PS5. Try play the game and see if the problem is fixed. In case you have the disc version of the game, please try clean the disc of any fingerprints. Your disc might be dirty and need cleaning. Use a little alcohol with a piece of fabric and clean it gently and softly until you see it has become clean enough. Scratches, cracks, dirt, or fingerprint on the surface of the disc can prevent the console from reading the disc properly. If you notice some major scratches on the lower surface of the disc, then it's a strong indication that the disc is damaged and you have to get a new one. Otherwise, you need to use the disc on another PS5 and check whether it works fine or not. Finally, rebuild the database if the problem still appears. Turn off your PS5 console by pressing and holding the power button until you hear a second beep. The power indicator will blink for a few moments before turning off. Once the console is off, press and hold the power button again. Release it after you hear the second beep. One beep will sound when you first press, and another 7 seconds later. Connect your controller to the console with a USB cable. Now press the PS button on the controller. Go to Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Select Rebuild Database. Wait for the process to complete and restart your PS5 console. Most of the time, this method will help you to fix this problem. That's it, guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.